Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen ID4. This vehicle has done just over 85,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, using our buttons just below, we can access our camera with parking sensors, climate control, assist, and our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.